It's your girl Supportive Mom, and I was sitting around. Y'all know that we have ice storm here in Tennessee, so I decided, I never really got up and gave you proper thank you and showed you all this wonderful kitchen that she created me. So what happened is I came into the kitchen and I looked at my glass, so I'm about to shine it off. So I said, well, let me talk to my peeps while I'm doing this. And y'all, I'm enjoying my kitchen so much. Here she put me in the glass doors here, and they have the lights in. They can change colors. Let's see if I know how to work it. It has the little remote with all the different colors on it. Y'all see that? And the lights are supposed to, oh, okay, hold on. Let me turn this one off for y'all. Then I'm gonna turn it right back on. See if y'all can see. Can y'all see that? Red. I'm gonna make all of them green, purple, red. But they change colors inside here. I really need to clean it off a little bit. If I clean it off, let me turn the light back on, so my video won't be all blurry, ugly, and y'all will click off. But this is what I came in here to clean this up a little bit. But I'm really enjoying it. And so what we're getting ready to do now, y'all saw in the video, you all go over to D-Side and watch the video and look at how she did all of my husband's spices and everything. I may try to turn the camera and see if I can get it for you all. Well, we got this here, Better Homes and Gardens container set. D-Side is gonna organize some stuff in here. She's already started on the ones with the cereal. Let me show y'all. In this house, we eat Lucky Charms, Nicolai Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and we have Frosted Flakes and Cheerios. What I wanted to show you all was some of the nice things that she did in my kitchen. She put in these nice doors that she ordered from IKEA. She replaced all my dishes. Y'all see everything is white, so nice and bright and clean. Then she put me up this nice, beautiful backsplash and this glass, and she did all of the cutting and everything herself. I'm just so proud of her. At the end of this video, you all will see the table set that she had me to put in. But I tell you, I'm just really enjoying my new white kitchen that D-Side got me. Oh, let me see, I'm gonna turn this just a little bit to see if I can show y'all this. But I got this nice little set here. You can hang up all, let me show y'all the hooks that's on here. You have the little short hooks, and you can get these at IKEA. You can put each little individual thing on it, or you can get the long hooks like these, and you can hang various items on it. That way the drawers are all nice and neat. So I'm loving what she did with all his spices, so that when he's cooking, he don't have to go all up in the cabinets and getting everything all yucky and everything. Because you know when you're cooking, your hands are dirty, because your hands are your best mixing tools, right? So I'm loving what she did over here. And then when she came, let me turn this a little bit more for you all, okay? But I'm loving this section right here, y'all. She did. She went and she got this nice piece at IKEA, and my husband got me this nice coffee pot because I had a Keurig and the brewer, and I actually honestly enjoy brewed coffee better than I do coffee out of a Keurig. But I had two, and they was huge, sitting over on the cabinet. I'm gonna show y'all what we set over there. But now my husband went and got me this nice one by Faberware, and it holds 12 cups of coffee, and you can either do brewed coffee or you can have a K-cup, whichever one you like. But this is a nice rack that we got. It's actually two, and she placed them side by side. And she put everything here, and it's just, I'm just loving it. Y'all watch my video on my bread maker. It works really well. So y'all go and check that out also. I'm actually gonna have to get maybe another bread box because y'all, Lincoln loves bread. So we keep Lincoln's bread down here low where he can get it. And Lincoln likes Hawaiian bread and cinnamon squirrel raisin bread. And he don't know, but he got that from my mom. She would sit and just eat an entire loaf of bread. But y'all, this little thing is so nice. Y'all may want to go to IKEA. Now let me show y'all what she did over in this corner over here. So what we have over here on this side, and I have this cord in here, y'all forgive me for this. Come on camera, focus, focus, focus. So we put the air fryer here, and we put the pressure cooker over here. Y'all, this thing is magnificent. If you are a person that likes to cook your meat and you're wondering if it's gonna be tender or not, It does it so fast, and you can leave it on. It has a timer. Everything is ready when you comes back. Okay, let's go back over here, y'all. Okay, I have a package that one of my subscribers sent me. Decided that I will open it in this video. Y'all, she was just nice enough to send me this as a gift. I thought that was really nice. The packaging is really nice, the way she has it in here. She has a card. She got the little peanuts in here and everything. Let's see if I can show y'all without messing it up. Oh, I dropped something. Supportive Mom. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Supportive Mom, for accepting my products. And I'm not going to say her real name on here, but I'll tell you all her site. Thank you for thinking to send it to me. Yay! And this package very nice. Honeylicious sugar scrub. It says how to use your whipped and creamy sugar scrub. She has the directions right here on the back. It leaked a little bit, but that may have just came from, I've had it now for quite a while. I just hadn't got around to open it, so I was sitting around and said, let me get this open and let me show my kitchen. She also sent me oatmeal, milk, and honey stress relief capsule. Made from love with love. And this also has the directions and everything right here on the back. I love this bottle, y'all. Body butter for skin and hair. Okay, girl. We might put some of this in the hair and see what we're going to get. So these are her products. But I just want, yeah, that's a little peanut. You can have it. But I just wanted to come on. Ooh, that body. Ooh, that's smelling good. Ooh, I'm liking that. I will tag her Instagram site in the description box in it because I think that was nice and thoughtful of her just to think of me and to send it to me, because people don't have to give you anything. Something else with y'all that's in my kitchen that's very special to me. It's as old as I am. Hold on. Y'all see this cookie jar? Mr. Pig? This was my grandmother's cookie jar. I ate cookies out of this cookie jar. At the time when I was a little girl, 4, 5, and 6, you would get huge Jack cookies. Y'all ask somebody in y'all family that's over 50 years old about the huge cookies you would get. They were 1 cent. And my granny would put them in this cookie jar right here. His head comes off. I don't use it, but I just keep it on top of my fridge because I like to look at it. I think of her. If you all have ever seen me make the banana pudding, that was the actual bowl that my grandmother used to make banana pudding in. So these things are special to me. Y'all, this right here was from one of my church members. It's nice. I'll tag it for you all. It's so soft, y'all. And it's so warm. So I'm glad that I saved it for the ice storm because my power went out earlier, y'all. But as soon as that power went out, we made a fire. And as fast as we made the fire, the power was back on. But it's been blinking a little bit, so I'm hoping that I finished recording this video before the power goes out. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the second part of this video. Let's roll over and watch Sweet Pea put that cute little table together that's sitting in the kitchen. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so what I'm getting ready to do now, y'all know making me a white kitchen. So I'm about to put this together. We're gonna see if I can do it together. Here are the directions. And we're gonna see if I can do this. So it says all I need is this one little L to put this together. So let's see if this is gonna work. I'm gonna do a small one first. So I need 2 6, 2 5, 2 number 6, 2 number 5. This is all I need for this. Okay. And this is gonna make me a stool. I honestly don't like furniture with screws like this. It don't last. We're gonna see.
That's something like for you.
What you got, boo?
You might not like it.
Just do the pieces though if you want to. You ain't gotta do no cooking. Unless you just want to.
Right there, that's already done. It's oven stuff.
Oh, okay.
Ain't no, oh, girl, I know what I forgot about.
What's that?
Hot pot.
Oh, we could eat Popeyes for dinner.
Yeah. That's something good to left in the bed on there.
And watch a good movie.
Yeah, I'll wait till you get them. You know you don't have to get boned for that.
Bonus style, later record, don't you hear me?
I mean, what do it look like?
You gonna see, you gonna like it.
There's a table.
And 2 stools, if I can line it up. got one together. Should I test it? Gonna come and be my tester. Show you all something else that I got that's really nice in the kitchen. And all of Destiny got my husband these nice gravity salt and pepper shakers. Show y'all how they work. The only thing you have to do is have a button right here. You can charge it right here. This button, I'm not sure honestly what it does, but these are gravity salt and pepper shakers, and all you do is hold it here, turn it upside down, and it comes right out. So thank you, Destiny, for getting these. Y'all, we kept breaking candles. I went to Walmart, Dollar Tree, and I got these. But my husband, y'all, he said he used stuff, but I had to come behind him and I cleaned it up. And this is what I came here to do. But I went and got him a nice electric can opener. And so when your husband go in, girl, if he cooking, don't complain. Just do like Sweet Pea, go in the kitchen behind him and clean everything up. And see how simple that is? He'll feel comfortable come on back in the kitchen and mess up and cook some more good food, right? I actually saw Destiny organized her storage bin. I told y'all I got to stop running with her because she got me to spending too much money. So my husband looked in this little storage closet, you know, where you keep all the snacks and stuff, and he really liked it. So Deesar ordered me these. Thank you, Deesar. And she said that she's gonna do mine. But I just want to say again, thank you, Deesar. I know I'm saying it over and over and over. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I pray and hope everybody's staying warm out there. I hope if your power is out there, hurry up and get it back on. I just love y'all, love y'all, love y'all.
And make sure to hit that bell, ding, ding, ding.
Lisa said make sure you hit that bell. Y'all know what Sweet Pea like for y'all to do. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you would like for my next video topic to be about. Who knows, I may choose your topic. Don't forget, and make sure that you subscribe, turn that bell on. Lincoln says ding, 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 ding. Turn that bell on so that you'll know when Sweet Pea has uploaded a new video. Love y'all, thank you, talk to you the next time.